This is a 6-bedroom, 4-bathroom house with a 2-car garage. Today, we are in the community Spring Mountain Ranch, which is in Riverside, California. We will be viewing KB Home's Carmel Ridge Residence 6 model home, showcased with optional builder upgrades. They will be building a total of 134 homes at Carmel Ridge, with an average lot size of 7,200 square feet. The open floor plan 2-story home measures approximately 3,228 square feet. The great room has high ceilings, recessed lights, and sliding glass doors that really bring the light in. This home also includes green features, such as dual-pane, energy-efficient Low-E glass windows and patio doors, water-conserving plumbing fixtures, LED lighting, and a tankless water heater. The views of this home behind the Riverside Hills are just so relaxing and tranquil. This was filmed mid-January. Couldn't you just imagine sitting in the backyard right now and enjoying our wonderful Southern California weather? The kitchen has beautiful countertops, white cabinets, stunning backsplash, and USB charging ports. It also features stainless steel appliances, such as an oven, microwave, cooktop stove, and dishwasher. This center island has a stainless steel sink and a breakfast bar, which is great for casual dining or can double as a buffet table for parties. The dining room has views of the front yard, recessed lighting, and a chandelier. Another nice feature this model home has is this walk-in pantry. If you're thinking of selling your home in the Southern California area and would like to be featured on this channel, please let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and click the bell to be notified so you don't miss a thing. The downstairs bathroom has a nice shower, toilet, cabinets, and a sink. Downstairs off the kitchen, there's a bedroom with a window and views to the backyard, and it also has a closet. Next to the kitchen, there's direct garage access, which is perfect when you just came home from the grocery store and your hands are full. If you have a friend who loves model house tours, please share this video with them, and if you want to search for new homes like this, I'll put a link in the description below. Under the staircase, there's a closet with extra storage, which is clever and great for storing holiday decor or cherished items that you otherwise wouldn't want to keep in the garage. I was pleased to see the optional downstairs bedroom. It has views of the front of the home, but would normally be a den. Since many are working from home these days, this room would make an excellent home office. Instead of a powder room, another nice option this home has is the 3/4 bathroom. It has a shower, toilet, cabinet, and sink. If you're enjoying the video so far, please give it a like. It helps our channel and we really appreciate it. Now let's view the upstairs. The loft has windows and recessed lighting. It could also be an optional 7th bedroom as well. This home also includes heating and air conditioning. What's your favorite room so far in this beautiful home? Please leave it in the comments below. The guest bathroom has cabinets, dual sinks, and a water closet with a toilet and a shower in the bathtub. The 3rd bedroom has a window, recessed lighting, a closet, and is also carpeted. The fourth bedroom is carpeted, has a window and a closet. The laundry room has washer-dryer hookups and a shelf for all your supplies. In the hallway, you will find a closet perfect for storage. The fifth bedroom has a window, is carpeted, and has a closet. You'll find the linen closet centrally located in the hallway. A nice safety feature this home has is a whole house fire sprinkler system. The master bedroom, which is also called an owner's suite, is quite nice and a bit away from the other bedrooms. It has windows, recessed lighting, and is carpeted. The ensuite master bathroom has cabinets and dual sinks. There is a separate bathtub and a shower. Inside the master bathroom, there is a linen closet, which would be great for extra towels and toiletries. There is also a private water closet with a toilet. Another great feature the owner's suite has is this large walk-in master closet. It has plenty of room for both summer and winter clothes. The community has no HOA, features miles of pedestrian trails as well as a 6-acre community park with sand volleyball court, basketball court, barbecue, and picnic areas. It is located near Loma Linda University Medical Center, the Mission Inn Hotel and Spa, and the University of California, Riverside. If you enjoyed this video, you'll probably like these two as well. And if you're in the Southern California area thinking about buying a house or selling your home, please call me, Susie Valentine, 951-907-4020. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.